Hi, I'm Gretchen Ashley, and I'm a florist here at the Green Thumbers. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own porch pot. So the first thing you're going to need is a container. I've got a pot here of some heavy soil. If you have a pot that you had your annuals in over the summer, that would work great too. Then you need to decide if you're going to go more of a rustic like this with the birch poles, the pine cones, the berries, or maybe something that's got a little bit more sparkle to it. I'm going to use the sparkle for this one. So I'm going to start out with these tall, shiny, glittery red poles. And this is going to give me some drama right here in the middle of my pot. I'm pushing these down in here into that soil a good 3 or 4 inches so that they're really going to hold in there good, and then when we're all done, of course, we'll water it. It'll be outside and it'll freeze. It'll really stand up to the harsh winter winds. So I have my poles here in the center, and now I'm going to start with the greenery. I've got an assortment of greenery here. I have some balsam, I have some long needle Norway pine, and my favorite, the beautiful fragrant cedar. So I'm going to just start putting that in. It always helps if you cut your greenery at an angle. It's going to push down in there better. I like to use several varieties because it's going to give you some texture to the whole thing when it's done. That's probably enough of the balsam and some of this nice Norway. It's kind of big and beefy and fills your pot in a hurry. Sometimes I'll pull a little of the needles off to make it go down in there easier. Okay, so it's probably got enough greenery in here now, and I'm going to continue to embellish it with these sparkly, glittery balls here. Whatever you want to embellish it with is completely up to you. Whatever kind of look you think would be a good accent to your front door. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. If you wanted to add an extra pop, you could always put some lights in there. That would give it a little nighttime interest. This is Gretchen Ashley at the Green Thumbers, making it look great since 1948.